Hey everyone! Right now, we're living in a pretty amazing time for science and technology. Every day, groundbreaking discoveries are reshaping our world. From tackling climate change to curing diseases, science has so much potential to make life better for all of us. Join me as I dive into the most mind-blowing science discoveries of 2024 and see if I can predict which ones will change the world. We're facing some big challenges, though. Climate change is at the top of the list, with rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and extreme weather becoming all too common. On top of that, we're constantly battling health crises and pandemics that push our healthcare systems to their limits. And with a growing population, we need new solutions to power our lives and feed everyone sustainably. But here's the good news. Science is on it. Researchers around the globe are working hard to solve these issues, and their efforts are bringing us some truly amazing breakthroughs. Just this year, 2024, we've seen discoveries that could transform the way we live. Take renewable energy, for example. Scientists recently developed a new material that's more efficient at capturing and storing solar energy than anything we've seen before. Imagine if we could power our homes, cities, and businesses entirely with clean energy from the sun. No more fossil fuels and way fewer carbon emissions. Then, there's the field of medicine. Researchers have made huge strides in understanding the human brain by mapping its neural networks in a way that's never been done before. This could mean major advancements in treating neurological conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, giving hope to millions of people. In biotechnology, scientists are doing incredible things with synthetic biology, engineering microorganisms to perform specific tasks. Imagine more sustainable farming, less waste, and even new clean energy sources, all thanks to these tiny custom-made microbes. And quantum mechanics is having a breakthrough moment too. Physicists are making real progress in using quantum entanglement for secure communication and data storage. This could completely change how we share information, making it faster, more secure, and nearly impossible to hack. But perhaps the most exciting and maybe controversial discovery of 2024 is the creation of the first artificial general intelligence. We now have a machine that can learn, adapt, and apply its knowledge across any field. This could be a game changer in industries from healthcare to finance, but it also raises big questions. Who's responsible if it makes a mistake? How do we ensure it's safe? Are we prepared for the possibilities or risks of having a machine that's as smart as we are? It's a lot to think about, but one thing's clear. Science is transforming the future right before our eyes. Which of these discoveries do you find the most exciting? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you want to keep exploring the latest in science and technology, don't forget to check out my other videos. We're diving deep into these topics every week, so hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop.